Need to deal with issues related to dogs? Watch this video. There is a reason why dogs are often called man's best friend. They are loyal, loving, and affectionate. But, do you feel like you know everything there is to know about these cuddly creatures? If not, it would be in your best interest to do your research. This video is a great resource. If you are interested in providing your dog with the healthiest of diets and making positive contributions to the Earth's environment, make his food from scratch. You can buy locally grown organic ingredients and provide him all the proteins, carbs and fats he needs with no preservatives while reducing the waste from packaging as well. Do you have a wrinkly dog, like a bulldog? If so, you have to be conscientious about the grooming process in order to help keep your pet clean. After you brush, take a baby wipe and use it to get in between the folds on their body. Make sure, though, to get them fully dry after doing so. Try to always be aware of how your dog is feeling. If your dog seems to be nervous, fearful, or scared of certain things, you should take note of this and try to avoid putting your dog in a stressful situation. When a dog is stressed or afraid, you could traumatize your dog if you insist that it stays in the stressful situation. Never give your dog milk. It's not necessary for his body and he doesn't have the proper enzymes to digest it anyway. Feeding your dog cow's milk can lead to chronic diarrhea and leave him with an upset stomach, among other health problems. Stick with plain old water for a healthy and hydrated dog. Pet-proof your home before bringing a dog into it, just as you would for a crawling toddler. You need to move anything toxic to a higher shelf and consider the danger that plants may pose if nibbled by your dog. Remember that antifreeze is deadly and that leaving things like pennies or crayons on floors can pose a choking hazard to curious pups. If your dog does something that you do not like, try to avoid just saying no. To your dog, no doesn't really explain what you want your pup to do. Instead of saying no if your dog is jumping, try to get your dog to sit or lay down. By doing this, you provide your dog with an instruction of what to do. As you can see by watching this video, there is a lot to know about dogs. By doing your research and learning all you can, you will find your relationship with your dog to improve. The video you just read provided you with tips to get you started on your quest. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.